Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is LG Soundbar, SQC4R Soundbar. This is 4.1 channel soundbar, 220 watts audio power, very immersive sound, bass blast. This is with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers. This soundbar is hooked up to the TV using optical cable. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. We're going to unplug the optical cable. I'm also going to unplug this from the back of the TV. Optical cable is not included in the packaging, so this is the optical cable I have. This soundbar deserves your attention. If you check my video, we'll see how we connected this soundbar and test the audio. And once you can see the subwoofer here, the reason why this green light is flashing is because the soundbar is switched off. Once you switch it on, it will link together. And just gonna switch the soundbar on. Now, when you switch the soundbar on, you also need to select F to go to Bluetooth. Okay, and you can see the light here is now steady blue light. Now what we need to do is we need to switch the TV on. Now once you switch the TV on, then you go to your TV settings, select the gear button to go to the TV settings. Now you need to scroll down to the sound. You can see it's showing us optical out. We need to select on it. I'm going to show you the TV audio. Select on optical sound out, then scroll to the side. Scroll to the side, select TV speaker. This is TV speaker.
Safety review.
So this is the TV audio.
They were covered up.
You just assume that you take your children to these places and that they're all safe and regulated. If I knew about this before the visit,
So this is the TV audio. So we need to select the speaker again. Now scroll to the side, go to Bluetooth device. Scroll down to device list. Select on it. And it's now searching for available device. So you need to scroll down and look for this device. This device is LG. Here we go. LG SQ4 is available. So select on it and it's connecting. LG SQ device is connected. And when it's in Bluetooth, okay, you can control the audio, the volume using the 2 remote control. You can control the volume using the soundbar remote.
Admitted 6 health and safety offences. In June 2023, at Cardiff Crown Court, the judge
It show you Bluetooth.
not to go in prison today? No comment. You feel guilty at all about the broken bones and something like?
Most of them are, and the owners are both.
We know that.
and
when it's in Bluetooth, you can control the volume using the remote control and TV remote. So you can control it using the 2 remote control. So this is how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. And this is the subwoofer here. You can see a green light here to show you that this is linked via speakers, and this is also the link correctly. Okay, this is brilliant stuff. Thank you very much indeed, guys, and stay blessed. Thank you.